In this video, I'm going to show you this random data generator with Gemini right here in Google Sheets. So in a previous video, I've actually shown you how to use Gemini to create gems that automates a specific type of prompt that you can reuse right here with Gemini. So in that video, I actually created this random data generator as a gem within Gemini. Go to the link at the top right corner and check that out. So this gem is located within your Gemini menu. So if I close this off, go to Gemini at the top right corner and go to the more options on the left side. You will see all of the gems that you have right here. So if you have more than one or two, you can click on view all to see them all. But right now I have this gem right here, which again, I've created within Gemini. So we have the description of generates random data with your specifications. Now the specifications that I've included with this one is actually to just include the number of rows, the number of columns, and the general idea for the random data. So if I click on this one, here we have it. So what I'm going to do is to enter a simple prompt. I'm going to put in rows, which let's say 20. The number of columns would be, let's say 5. And the topic or the idea would be, let's say, about sales. So with this very simple prompt, consisting of 6 words right here, and then if I press enter, it is now going to generate that random data for me and place it right here within my spreadsheet. All I have to do now is wait. So when Gemini is done, it's actually going to tell you here on the Gemini panel. So right now it's still working on it. It tells you to check back in a few minutes. But once it's done, it automatically inserts that random data onto your spreadsheet. And here we have it. So it has successfully created a 20-row, 5-column table with random sales data and formatted the date and revenue columns appropriately. So it has this column on dates, and here our revenue column is in $signs. So that is a great addition to the random data. It's also automatically formatted based on the type of data within those cells. And here we have it. Also, the first row is already frozen, so that's again a great addition to the format of our random data. If there is something that I want to point out, it is this one right here, where we have the units sold is not really clearly seen. What we can do is to just double click on that column and it will auto adjust the width of that column. And now we can see everything, and there you have it. So that's just a tiny mistake that Gemini has created. Although it has formatted all those appropriate data within those columns, it did forget to auto adjust this one column right here, but that's okay. That's why I tell you every time in every Gemini video that Gemini does make mistakes. It's already up to us to edit and fix those mistakes. But there you have it. I was able to generate some random data with the help of Gemini right here in Google Sheets. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I do also have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.